Then take a look at the UNISFIRE metal strap clamps 4-pack. So we have our magnets packed separately, and you can tell by looking at it that there are 4 individual magnets making up each one. And that is female threaded, so if we want to, we could actually use this for any kind of a project we really want. And we just thread in a bolt from the back, so that's much nicer than the ones that have the studs coming out the top, because those have a fixed set of threads. This one you could put a very long bolt in as long as it catches those threads in the bottom. And here are our clamps. So these are rubber coated, so you don't have to worry about damaging insulation or whatever will be clamping down. They're open, so if you need to get that over some kind of a hose or something like that that's already attached, we don't have to worry about trying to take that hose down. And it comes with 4 screws to attach it. So all we have to do is run the screw through the hole and thread that into the magnet. So there we go. That will be our strap. And it is labeled on here 20 millimeters. So you can expect to fit a hose or a cable that is 20 millimeters in width. Cool. All right. So now we got this guy on there. It's magnetic, so we can kind of move that around wherever the heck we want it. But that's going to keep that wire from dangling down and getting in the way. So those are very cool little clips.